Hi guys, welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. It's Tuesday, August the 30th, 2022, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars puzzle. Well, it seems it's a 2 stars. We have 3 puzzles left: the binary, the tectonic with 4 stars, and it's time now for the Sudoku with 4 stars. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know, but this will be number 5096. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one less than the previous Sudoku, and it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 4 stars puzzle, if it's really 4 stars, then I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, 30 minutes or more. We will see if this is really 4 stars. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Yes, we have here 3 2s, 1 2 3 3s, 3 4s, 1 5, 2 6s, 4 7s. All right, 3 4 8s. Wow, and no 9s. Not any 9s here. So the 1, the 7, and 8s are in majority. All right, can I start with the 1 then? The 1 in the 3rd column, the 1 in the 2nd column. So the 3rd column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this 3rd row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. All right, 1 1. 1 1. The 1 in last column, the 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 1 1. 1 1 1 1. Okay. Cannot continue with the 1. How about the 7 then? 7 in this column, 3rd column, 7 in the 2nd column. So the 1st column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the 3rd row, 7 in the 2nd row. So the 1st row, cannot fill this yet. The 7, need to wait. But we can fill those. Yeah, the 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Now I need to wait. Cannot continue. How about the 8 in this column? The 8 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 8. Well, the 8 in this row, the 8 in that row, so the row between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 8 8 8 8 8. Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the 1st column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 8. Well. But the 1 then. 1 1. 1 1 1 1. Nope, cannot continue with 1. Then 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 5 9. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, and look, we have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. Here 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. So the 5 and the 9 are left. 5 and the 9, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. But we have 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. And we have a pair, the 1 and the 3 in the third row, the 1 and the 3 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So now I can continue with the, let me continue with the 3 first. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the last row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here 3 in the column next, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Now I can continue with the 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. How about the 7, 7? Well. 7, 7. 7, 7. Still cannot continue with the 7. How about the 8 then? 8, 8. 8, 8. No, still cannot continue with 8. We have a 2 in this row, the 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2. Well, I cannot continue with the 2 then. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. No. 2, 2, 2, 2. Need to wait. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, second row. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 9 and 5, 9 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So that means 1 box left in the second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing. Overlook the 4. Yes, overlook the 4. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in the middle column, so no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 and a 4 in this row, so no 2 and a 4 in that box. So the 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and a 4. All right. Three missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, and look, we have a 7 in this column. So no 7 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 7. Should be there. So the 6 and the 9 are left. 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in the last row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Two missing numbers in this first column. I believe the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 5, 5. One box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9, 9. Okay, so in the last column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. Well, we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. Here 9 in this row, so no 9 there. So the 9 in the last column could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 9 in this row, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there, 9 in this column. So wait, 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright, okay. 2 missing numbers in this row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then. Let me see, the 7 in this row, the 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and all the 7s are used. I can see this is number 3, number 7. Alright. Okay. 2. No. 2 and 4. Yeah. Need to wait. 9, 8, 5. 9, 8, 5. Okay, and now, 8, 8. What, 4, 4. How about 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4. No. 1 box left in the middle column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright, and now 4, 5. 6, 9. 6, 4, 2. 6, 4, 2. Yeah. I'm still thinking. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. Yeah, we have a 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next up, only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third row. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the third column. So no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Yeah, cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and 4, 2, 4, and the 6 Ooh, 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. Now we have an 8 here in the third column. So this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8. Do we have all the 8s? Yes, and all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 8. 1 box left in the second column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. Yeah, the 6 is missing. All right. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4. It goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 there in this column. So this box can be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. 4 in this row. Sorry, 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 is should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9 and a 5. Now we have a 9 here in this column, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. This box should be a 5. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Wow. Although I have 24 printed digits, 1 less than the previous Sudoku. So is this really 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this again a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.